Today I'm going to show you exactly how to check which version of WordPress your website is using, and I'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can feel confident making sure your site's information is up to date. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only where to find your WordPress version, but also why it's important to keep track of it, whether you're maintaining your own site or troubleshooting with a developer. Alright, let's jump right in, no need to waste any time. The easiest and fastest way to check your WordPress version is through the WordPress admin dashboard. This approach is perfect if you already have login access to your site's backend, and it doesn't require any technical skills. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard using your administrator credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on what's called the Welcome screen. Now take a look toward the top right corner of the dashboard. Here, you should see something called the At a Glance widget. This little section is designed to give you a quick overview of your site, and it usually lists your current WordPress version very clearly. It's almost like seeing the model year on the dashboard of your car. Just a quick peek gives you the info you need. If you don't see the version number right away, don't worry. It sometimes depends on your theme or the screen layout, but we have a couple more reliable places to check. Next, let's look at the dashboard footer. From any admin page, whether you're browsing posts, pages, plugins, or just looking at the main dashboard, scroll all the way down to the bottom. In the bottom right corner, you should see your current WordPress version number displayed. It's a small detail, but it's always there, kind of like the copyright notice at the bottom of a web page. If you don't spot it immediately, make sure you're not zoomed in too far or try resizing your browser window just in case. This spot is great because no matter where you navigate in the admin area, your WordPress version is always close at hand. If you want even more certainty, you can double-check by visiting the Updates page. This is found by going to Dashboard, then clicking Updates. On the Updates page, WordPress will display your current version right at the top, along with information about any new versions that are available. This is actually a useful place to check periodically, since WordPress updates can include important security fixes and new features. Think of it like checking your phone or computer for the latest software updates. You want to make sure everything is running smoothly and safely. These methods are all quick and secure. They don't require you to look at code, install a plugin, or go sifting through files on the server. As long as you have admin access, you're good to go. Knowing your WordPress version is handy if you ever need support, install plugins or themes, or follow maintenance recommendations. If you ever experience conflicting features, plugin errors, or receive messages from support teams, one of the first things they'll ask for is your version number, so knowing how to find it is essential. That's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or need help locating your version, just drop a comment below. I read all of them and I'm happy to help. And if you want more WordPress tips and easy tutorials, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you soon.